Hi, this is Shauna from Forest River Stealth Toy Haulers. I want to show you our brand new 2023 Stealth 2715. Let's go take a look inside. So we're inside the brand new 2023 Stealth 2715. This is one of my most popular floor plans, and honestly, you can see why. This is a great floor plan because there's so much room for all of your toys. What's nice about this one here, it has the optional slide out. You can have it with it or without it. This one has it with it. What's super cool about it, when that slide out comes all the way in, you have 77.5 inches from your slide out fascia to that wall. You're gonna fit all your toys in here. Also, it has a little trap door underneath the sofa here. So the sofa will lay all the way out into a bed, and then it flips up against the wall, and then it has the little trap door. So in case if you got big knobby tires on your toys, it's gonna fit inside of here. Then you've got this great kitchen. Wonderful counter space that's in here. You've got your really nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator. You've got a nice 22-inch oven. And then again, you've got this really big farm style sink. It's extra deep. You can wash pots and pans in here. Your electric skillet, you can use it as an ice maker. You can double it as a bathtub for a baby or a small dog. It's very functional. Also, we have the chef's high-rise faucet, which is really nice for washing everything out. And you've got a nice window that's right here so you can see through on all the sides. So here we are on the back deck here. I call it the patio of the 2715. What's super nice about this coach is it opens up into your whole entire living area and now extends out. What we have up above here is we have it kind of like our little 3-season little patio doors. So it's a plastic vinyl that comes down, it zips up, or you can have a screen so you can keep the bugs in and out. Very nice to have. But then out here, we have this great patio. You can put table and chairs out here. We have the optional playpen on here, which is so nice because it keeps all your puppies in. If you've got dogs or if you have little kiddos, they're not gonna fall off the side of it. Or, you know, it just is a very great safety feature. Also, another new thing for 2023 is that we've added the backup camera prep. So if you choose to do a backup camera, it's very easy. It's plug and play, and now you can see what you're backing up into. So here we are in the bedroom of this 2715. It's a great queen mattress. This is a full-size queen. This is 60 by 80, not one of those little short RV queens. What's super cool about this is capital bedding. This is our great mattress that's on here. We spent a lot of money on it, so you don't have to actually go out and replace it. So many times you see that. And then what's nice, it's made in the United States. I've personally slept on this mattress. It is extremely comfortable. But again, I like the fact that it's a full-size queen. What's nice here too is that we've got full wardrobes on each side. You've got space up above if you want to throw some baskets up there to fold up, you know, jammies, jeans, sweatshirts, that type of stuff. And then we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom in here. So you've got a door that leads from the bedroom directly into the bathroom, or you can come from the main hallway. So what's kind of nice about this bedroom in here is that we have the 110 outlets on both sides in case of for like CPAPs or if you want to add additional lighting here. Also, we have USB charging stations everywhere. We have 2 on both sides. We have them by the bunks in the back. They're also by the couch out there. So if you want to charge your phone or any other type of electronic devices, we make it very easy for you. So here we are in the bathroom, and it's nice because we have a porcelain foot flush toilet in here, very easy to keep clean. Also, we have glass shower doors in here and the new angle shower. Again, very easy to keep clean. And we use this big residential sink in here, not the little dentist sink. And then for us ladies, we have the medicine cabinet with the large mirror so that we can still get ready and look nice as we RV. So here we are back on the outside here of this fantastic 2023 Stealth Toy Hauler. This happens to be the 2715 model, and there's a couple great features for 2023 that we've added. One of the great ones we talked about is the rear backup camera that we've added. We've also added our tire pressure monitoring system. This is a great feature. Safety's really one of our #1 features here on the Stealth Toy Hauler. And what's cool about this is that it comes with the LED screen. You can keep it inside of your vehicle, but also you can add more vehicles to it. You can add your boat tires. You can add another vehicle. You can add your RZR tires to it. It's very easy. All you do is replace your valve stems with the ones that are adaptable for the system, and now you can monitor everything. A great feature. A couple other things that we did, as you can tell on the outside, is we've got this great graphics package. Really happy with it. Again, the interior is a brand new interior that's in there. Another little thing that we added on the inside is a little 12-volt station right next to the TV, in case if you want to put a little 12-volt inverter, you can watch your TV, plug in, and that way you don't have to run your generator at the same time. So on this chassis here, this happens to be an 8-inch I-beam powder-coated toy hauler chassis. Couple things that we do a little different on Stealth is that we've actually widened the rails, and by doing that it gives a little bit more stability and support for it, but what it does is it shortens the outriggers. You ask, what's an outrigger? An outrigger actually goes from the chassis to the end of the coach here and holds up your walls. I always use the analogy of holding a bowling ball straight out. If you hold a bowling ball over time, your arm's going to start sagging. Same thing can happen to coaches. So what happens is we shortened it and you can hold it significantly longer. So with that also, we've welded on here, we have steel box framing on each end, before and behind the tires. If you happen to get a blowout, it's not going to rip off the whole backside or front side of your coach. Again, it's just those little things that we pay attention to. This coach here also has a sealed and heated underbelly. We have panels, individual panels that go underneath. If you do need any kind of service, we can remove one panel off of there and they can get to any type of service that needs to be done. Also, what's kind of cool about it being heated is we have a dedicated heat duct going down to your holding tanks. This has 140 gallons of fresh water. It's a lot of water, but it's nice when you're out RVing and you're riding and it's in the winter time that you know and you can rest assured that those holding tanks are not going to freeze and you're going to have your water there. Also, what's kind of cool about this one here is we put an Arctic package on it. That happens to be an option that's here. On the Arctic package is a radiant foil barrier. We put it on the floor and we put it on the roof and it gives you R38. It's fantastic insulation. It works great. And I think it's just an important thing because it's going to keep you warmer in the wintertime and it's going to keep you cooler in the summertime. Here we are on the other side of this 2715, and I want to talk a little bit about our generator. This happens to be the MPS powered by Yamaha. This actually is a 4500 generator, not 4000, 4500. Cool features about this, has a great warranty. It's a 3-year, 2,000-hour warranty. It also has a pure sine inverter already built into it, meaning that you're going to have continuous power all the way through. It's not going to surge. It's so important for when we have our laptops plugged in, all of our electronics, our phone. It's nice to have that constant power that's there. Also, what's nice about this is it has an integrated pull start. There's 4 ways to start this. You have a button on the inside. It comes with a really cool key fob. If you want to put it next to your bed, you can start the generator. Also, there's a push button here, and then that pull start. In case if your battery's totally dead, which it should never be dead because this Stealth here comes with 260 watts of solar panel already on board to keep those batteries charged. But just in case, if you're parked underneath a tree, it's nice to know that you've got a pull start on here. Very unique to have it. It's a little eco-friendly. It pulls a little less fuel. This happens to have a 35-gallon fuel station that it pulls from. All in all, it's a very superior generator to have on the Stealth. Thank you for joining me today on taking a look at this fantastic 2023 Stealth toy hauler. This happens to be the 2715 model. Again, one of my most popular floor plans on here. As you can see why, as we talked about all the great features and benefits that this has. Again, you can go onto our website at forestriverinc.com/stealth to take a look at all the other features and benefits that it has that we didn't talk about, and there's other floor plans there too. So thank you for joining me.